How to create a welcoming reception area. A reception desk can be pivotal in creating an inviting atmosphere that leaves visitors with a good first impression. A few simple alterations to your reception area can dramatically improve customer satisfaction. Ensure that the space is clean, has warm colors, lit up and has enough seating available. Add some plant/artwork and a coffee table for an inviting atmosphere. Consider a digital sign-in system that can be customized with your own brand to give a professional appearance to potential customers. Ensure all team members are warmly welcoming visitors. These small changes will make all the difference when it comes to delivering positive experiences. Make your welcoming reception inviting and comfortable. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere by selecting quality furniture that is comfortable and practical. Avoid any form of bright light and instead illuminate the room with appropriate lighting. Maintain an optimal temperature to ensure your guests can comfortably relax. Decorate the space with calming plants, artwork or other decorations, further enhancing their experience while they're there. Friendly receptionist. The receptionist is your organization's face, so ensure they have the proper training to be pleasant and welcoming to anyone who enters. First impressions count. A smile and a friendly attitude can really go a long way in creating an inviting atmosphere and setting the tone for the entire experience. Clear directions. Having maps available for office space or providing a list of personnel with their office numbers and locations can save visitors time, energy, and confusion. Design elements that make up a welcoming reception area. The design of a reception area is integral to creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for visitors. Layout and furniture. It's important to create an inviting layout that allows visitors to navigate the space easily. This includes using comfortable yet stylish furniture pieces, such as couches, chairs, and tables suited to the size and use of the room. Decoration and ambience. To create a pleasant environment for those visiting the reception area, adding plants, good lighting, and even artwork can help create an atmosphere that gives off positive vibes. Technology integrations. Adding technologies such as sign-in kiosks or automated delivery management can help streamline processes while providing visitors with the information they may need during their stay. Lastly, implementing a visitor management system could go a long way towards increasing security, providing easy access control restrictions, and maintaining a record of all those who enter the premises. Foresee the expected necessities. Having internet access. Providing charging points for devices. Offering tablets for entertainment. Help with navigation through the building. Having a variety of beverages and snacks available. Providing these amenities can be useful when visitors spend long periods in the reception area. Conclusion. Creating a welcoming reception area requires thoughtful planning and attention to detail. It should have a comfortable, stylish layout with suitable furniture, plants, good lighting, artwork and soothing colors to create an inviting atmosphere. Additionally, it is important to provide technologies such as check-in kiosks and automated mail sorting to streamline processes and provide helpful resources while also foreseeing the expected necessities such as internet access, charging points, and snacks or beverages. By considering all of these elements, you can create a welcoming reception area that will make your visitors feel comfortable and leave a lasting impression.